What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make the icons bigger or smaller in your radar in CSGO. So you're going to have to open the console for this. These are console commands, but it's very simple. You just open the console by doing the left or hitting the left top key on your keyboard, the little squiggly line. That is called the tilde key, and that'll open up the console. And now you can just type in the command cl_radar_icon_scale_min. I know it's a huge command, but yeah, and then you type in your value. Ignore the quotes. It's a value from 0 to 1, so obviously 1 will give you huge icons. Let's do 1, and now you can see instantly they just became bigger. You don't even have to exit the oh, what just happened? I typed W, then I hit up. Sorry about that. So yeah, if you want to go back to your previous command, you can just press up, but you shouldn't even have to exit out. You can just press enter, and you'll be able to see this go higher or lower. Let me try out 0.5. So yeah, they got smaller this way. I don't recommend going below 0.5 unless if you're very zoomed in, but at that point I would recommend zooming out because you're losing information. But yeah, so like do probably, because I have 0.4 radar scaling, so I'm pretty zoomed out. I'm going to do 0.7. I think that's good enough, yeah. So that's pretty much it, and like I said, if you want to cycle up or cycle down through your previous commands, to go to commands further back in history, you press up, and then to go to more recent commands, you press down. So you see I used all these commands. If I press down now, I'm going back to the more recent ones. That's pretty much it. So that's how I got back to this CL_radar icon command easy. You guys use this too, so you play with it until you get it how you want it, and then you can just leave it, pretty much. It's just going to save from game to game. So hopefully you found this helpful, guys. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.